Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the cooktop on this LG gas oven. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to check the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
To begin, remove the grates by lifting straight off and set them aside. You may want to use a pad or towel to protect the surface of whatever you are going to set them on. Next, remove the burner caps and burners by lifting straight off. Take note of the igniter when removing the burner. Pull the burner straight up and off to avoid bending or damaging the igniter. Keep the caps and burners together when you set them aside. You may also want to lay them out in the same configuration so you don't mix them up when reinstalling. Repeat this process for the other 4 burners and caps. Now, remove the 3 7mm screws holding each burner to the cooktop. When pulling the cooktop off, take note of the igniters and make sure none of them are being bent or crushed in the process. Pull up on the front of the cooktop, again making sure the igniters have cleared the holes. Continue tilting the front up and then slide the back out and set your cooktop aside. When installing your new cooktop, bring it into position with the front tilted up and slide the back into place. As you set the front of the cooktop down, make sure all of the igniters and burner tubes have aligned properly. Once everything is aligned, take note of the pegs located near each corner on the bottom of the cooktop. These will fit into slots on the side panel of the oven. Next, reinstall the 15 7mm screws holding the burners in place. You may have to use your finger to move the burner tube slightly to get your screw holes to align perfectly. We recommend starting each screw by hand and only using hand tools on this step. Do not over-tighten these screws as it could chip or scratch the paint. Replace the burners and caps. Line up the hole for the igniter and lower the burner straight down. Then, just set the cap back in place. Repeat this process for the other 4 burners. Finally, reinstall the grates. Be very careful not to scratch the cooktop when setting the grates down. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.